In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a list to Surveymonkey. So let's dive in and streamline your workflow together. First, what you'll want to do is navigate to the main hub of Surveymonkey, the homepage, Projects. This is your gateway to all the features and functionalities you'll need. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a neat and intuitive interface designed to make navigation simple and efficient. Always ensure you're logged into your account so you have full access to all the features. Next, you'll want to click on the TR button. You may be wondering what TR stands for. Well, this icon is a shortcut that allows you to seamlessly access the tools and resources you'll be using. Clicking on it brings about a list of options, out of which we'll be focusing on one key component. Now let's move on to clicking on Contacts. Here you manage and organize your email lists, crucial for distributing your surveys to the right audience. The Contacts tab is where you can import, view, and edit your contacts list, streamlining how you connect with your survey participants. Make sure you have the correct permissions to use any emails you upload to stay compliant with data privacy laws. From there, you need to click on file. The .csv file format is pivotal here, as it is typically how you will import larger lists of contact data into Surveymonkey. If you're not familiar with CSVs, they're simply a type of spreadsheet file that's universal and easily accessible with programs like Excel or Google Sheets, making data transfer convenient and efficient. Proceed by clicking on the option to choose a file. This is where you can select the particular CSV file you've prepared in advance. When creating your CSV file, ensure that it is formatted correctly with a column each for names, emails, and any other required information. This guarantees a smooth and error-free upload. By following these steps, you'll effectively import your contacts smoothly into Surveymonkey. Remember, accuracy at each step will ensure that your list imports without any complications. You can now use this list to engage your audience through surveys and gather invaluable insights. We encourage you to take your time familiarizing yourself with these steps and practicing them as necessary. This will boost your confidence in managing your audience lists and enhance your productivity. That's it for today's guide. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out through the comments section. Thanks for watching, and happy surveying.